Welcome back to another episode of the Motor City Magnet Fishers. Thank you for joining us again this week. As you know, I'm Jason. We had a really good trip this week and got some really cool finds. I want to say thank you to the divers that came out and helped me retrieve my magnet last week. They did ask me not to divulge their personal information, so I am going to respect that. Thank you everybody for tuning in. You know, please subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications, give us a like if you like our content, and hopefully we'll see you all again next week. I got another one of those pieces of pipe. Whew, I got one of those last time I was here. I got a railroad plate and a tablet on the same throw. It's no idea what kind of tablet. Man, that battery has exploded in there. That's a railroad plate. That's actually a good find. Another wheel weight, an identifiable piece of steel, and that's it. Y'all remember the last time I was out at this park, I got my first hacksaw. Now I got my second hacksaw. Oh, it's hooked onto one of them plates. Look, I got some weeds on there. Ooh, that's an old one. Man, I wish that was in good a shape as the other ones I've been catching. I got a coworker that collects cans. I'll message him and see if he's interested in this one. Doubt it though. Got a catfish bell, piece of wire. That looks like it. What do we got? Really? Oh boy. By the imprint, we got our first high point. No magazine, and it's in a sock. Wow. I want to get a picture of that before I open it. Alright. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. We already know what it is. And we're not surprised. Put the other glove back on, see if we can clear the chamber. Sure was nice of them to lock it up, to wrap it up for us. There it is, high point. Boy. I'm gonna get some water. All right, let's rinse it. Let's get her all rinsed out. I don't know. I've never shot a high point, so I don't know. Oh, didn't realize the sights on a high point went in. Okay. I can't make sure it's clear yet. I got people watching. but I can tell you we have a serial number that's scratched out. I just want to clear it before I transport it. Not going to clear, but finally found a high point. That one's definitely going to have to go to the police too. There's no question about that. My friend. So, look at all them Douglas MacArthur election pens. And a watch. Okay, feels like a fishing line. Feels like a whole bunch of fishing line. Man. Feels like a whole bunch of fishing line. Oh. Nice. Nice. Pabst Blue Ribbon can. Wow. Cool. Lure. That's about it. Something very, very heavy on there. Oh, and it fell off. Oh, we got another one of those tools. That means there's definitely one down there. Nganga, I think. So, I wonder if that's what I was just pulling. Because it was heavy. Y'all know cast iron's heavy. Okay, it feels like I got a bunch of fishing line. A whole bunch of fishing line if I do. I got something. Oh no, it's the Pixar lamp. It's dead. They threw it in the river. Poor Pixar lamp. Wow, look at that knife. And then we've got all this voodoo stuff. There's one of those not broken. That's a rake. That's a spring. That's a catfish bell. There's a hoe. Another hammer. Here's a hoe, I guess. Man, I got more hoes than I need. And a bunch of gunk. I bet you when I picked it up, and all that stuff started falling out of it as soon as I picked it up. Okay, just hauled that fence off. Now I'm looking to see what's on. Oh, we got a knife. Got a pocket knife. Huh. Might work if I clean it up. Made in the USA. Yeah. Can't make out the name. It's an auto. Oh, it sure is. See, there's a button right there. It's a Switchblade. I got a Switchblade. That's pretty cool. That'll clean up too. You need some help. Feels like there's a little something on there. Oh, good. Got more of that fence. Got a shovel. Some tarp. fence, fishing line, and another one of these voodoo things. Bigger or smaller one this time. Now, there's still something on there, but I don't know what it is. Holy cow. Chain link fence. And a whole bunch more of the witchcraft tools. Another rake. There's another hammer. Man. Looks like there's beer bottle caps. This is all just part of a fishing pole. Another one of these things. See, these ones are in better shape than the other ones I've got. Makes me think that they're not as old. They're not. There's a cap. Nope. Nope, it's an electric motor. I told you those little E things were coming from an electric motor. Something, it's a transformer, that's what I mean. It's not an electric motor, it's a transformer. But, it's a sinker. State of Michigan. What? Oh, beer tax. Oh, that's really cool. I wish this can was in better condition. Oh. Best beer. Premium quality. Man, I wish that one was in better condition. Bag. Oh. Oh. Never gotten one of those before. I wonder what kind of creepy crawlies are living in it. It's all, ouch, all closed up too. Yeah. There's a golf ball in there. Multiple golf balls in there. Wow, doesn't that look like a finger? I'm so glad it's not. I don't want to reach down inside there. I don't know what's in there. We got 3 golf balls out of that side pocket. Let's see if there's anything else in there. Looks like a candy bar wrapper. Another candy bar wrapper, the same one. It looks like it for there, but I'm curious what's in the main pouch. Surprised we haven't seen any crawdads yet. Whatever's in there is in a second pouch. Man, I hope this ain't anything creepy. I really do. Alright, let's see what's in there. A lot of mud. Something really heavy. That chunk of concrete. It is. Okay, so that was in there to make it sink. So we got 3 golf balls and a chunk of concrete. Now, let's see if there's anything else in there. See anything in these pockets. Here's another zippered pocket. Nothing in there. Nothing in there. And nothing else in there. Well, somebody sunk this bag for 3 golf balls. Well, that just seems ridiculous. Why would you want to get rid of 3 golf balls so badly? There ain't another single thing in here. Somebody must have stolen it out of a car and then decided they had to get rid of it. Yep, that's all that's in it. 3 golf balls. I'll keep those. Are they any good? Looks like they say, I don't know. It fell off. It's back on though. Let's see what we got. Feels heavy. It's long. Oh. I think it's a bicycle. Yeah, it is. It's a Schwinn. The size of that rope tied to it too. Huh. All right, that's number 21. Let's make a right-hand turn. All right. All right. Number 21. Oh, that's number 2. And that's my first Glock. They were nice enough to clear that one for me. Oh. Very interesting. That's my second gun of the day. And that one's a Glock. Sure was nice of them to clear it for me, wasn't it? Got a PlayStation controller, I believe that is. Yep. Oh, that's kind of cool. Oh, I bet that thing I caught earlier was a PlayStation, not a computer. See, I'm an Xbox guy myself. Well, I haven't played in a really, really, really long time. Or 2 weeks ago. They're in the plastic bag in the top of the bucket.
All right, thank you. Do you have your ID?
I do. I'll follow you in if you want me to.
Where'd you find them? Down by Jefferson and Dearborn?
No, I've turned in a lot from over there too, though. No, behind the post office. I know it's not your guys' area, but I can't
As long as
everybody
Detroit-
everybody
as long as
knows the
Detroit
4th
doesn't
precinct's the best. And honestly, if they weren't that new, I don't know. There was an officer down in the park. I tried to get his attention, but he told me he was on break.
Oh, that's weird. We're off of 10th Street or so? 8th Street, 10th Street, somewhere in that area?
Yeah, right around there. It's at the farthest corner upstream. It's the same park where they just had that cookout thing or whatever it was. The block party, that's what it was.
Yep. 2 of them in here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much.
As you can see there. Oh no, my magnet's on them. Hold on, let me get that off. I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to grab this.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a great day.
All time.
Thanks for watching Motor City Magnet Fishers. Subscribe by hitting the circle and click the episodes on the top to watch more of our videos.